So here are the puppies. They're a week old tomorrow. I have to take the video today because I'm going to have a very busy day tomorrow. But they're all doing extremely well. I could try to show you the different sexes. That was noisy. That's a male. Here's a male. Here's a male. Male. There's a female. There's a male. There's a female. There's a male. Sorry, little guy. There's a female. Male. That one's really big and fat. This one's going to have a lot of color. Male. So I think that pretty much covers everybody. I don't like handling them too much at this age. So there's the babies.